Hello everyone and welcome back to English Tales. My name is Simran Mehtani and in this video we are going to study about the epistolary novel. Without any further delay, let's get started. An epistolary novel is a novel in which we come across two or more characters who are writing letters to each other. Okay, the entire narrative of the novel is conveyed to the readers by an exchange of letters between two or more characters. Sometimes we also come across some newspaper clippings or some diary entries or some recordings of some kind in the epistolary novel. The word epistolary is derived from the Latin word epistle, which means letters, and this is the reason why epistolary novel is also called as the novel of letters. The main aim or the main function of writing an epistolary novel is to add an element of realism into the novel. Okay, the personalized letters which are exchanged between the characters, they add a realistic touch to the novel. Another function is that there is no author's interference in the narrative. Okay, we only come across letters which are written by one character to another. The first epistolary novel ever written was written in the Spanish language. It was called as Prison of Love. It was published in the year 1485 and it was written by Diego de San Pedro. Some other examples of the epistolary novel are Samuel Richardson's Clarissa, Samuel Richardson's Pamela, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, Bram Stoker's Dracula, and Alice Walker's The Color Purple. Let us now have a look at the types of the epistolary novel. Epistolary novel is basically divided into three types. Okay, the first one is monologic, the second one is dialogic, and the third one is polylogic. Let us first discuss monologic epistolary novels. Monologic epistolary novels, in these novels we come across only one character who writes the letters. Okay, we come across only one side of the story. He or she is writing letters to somebody, but that somebody is not replying back to him. Okay, so we come across only one side of the story. One such example of a monologic epistolary novel is Letters of a Portuguese Nun. Moving on to dialogic epistolary novel. Okay, as the name suggests, it is a dialogue. What is a dialogue? A dialogue is a conversation between two people. So, in epistolary novel, in dialogic epistolary novel, we come across two characters who write novels to each other. There is an exchange of letters between two characters. Okay. One such example of dialogic epistolary novel is Letters of Fanny Butler. You might have heard about this novel. Let us now move on to polylogic epistolary novel. Polylogic indicates that there are three or more than three characters who write letters to each other. Okay. One such example is Bram Stoker's Dracula. It is a polylogic epistolary novel in which we come across three or more than three characters writing novels to each other. Subscribe to English Tales to learn more about English literature. I'll see you again soon with another video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye.